Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Sun, and today I will share a little bit about my life. I'm a student, and my hobby is playing the football. Sorry, my friend is calling. Hello, Ikmal. Yes, son. Did you free today? Let's play the football? Okay, let's go. See you this evening. Assalamualaikum. Let's go. For you, we are the best today. Ha ha ha. See you next time. I'm so tired. As usual, before going to sleep, I must play a game first. Oh my god, it's 30 p.m. I'm so late. I'm so forgetting about this shirt, but I must wear it at 4 p.m. I'm so stressed right now. Hey, who are you?
I know what's your problem now, kid. Problem apa? Don't you worry. I have one solution for you.
Here, we have prepared a 4D washing machine, a drying place, adapter, and also a storage bag. The way to use it is to open the cover, then pull it up. The folded part is made of silicone. The top and bottom part are made of plastic. The bottom part has a sticker that can prevent it from shaking, and also where to dispose of the washing water. This is the adapter. This is how to use this machine. It comes with two modes, which is washing and drying. Just put the laundry. After that, put the water. It also comes with a holder. Put washing soap. Insert adapter. Press 1 for 5 minutes and 2 times for 10 minutes. This is an example of rotation when washing. After that, we leave the clothes to dry. This is an example of clothes according to the capacity that has been set. You can also throw water in the hole that has been prepared. After that, we dry it. The way to store it is also very easy. You guys also don't get dizzy if it rains heavily because it comes with a nice and sturdy place. That's all from me. Thank you.
Oh, washing machine project is a wrap.